Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you the perfect hair care tips for your daily hair care routine. So let's get it started and let's go. Straight, curly, wavy, textured, dyed, natural. We all want our hair to appear its best despite the fact that it comes in a variety of shapes and colors. Hair trends have come and gone throughout the years, including pouring pee on your scalp, washing your hair with apple cider vinegar, and smashing an egg on your head. To separate fact from fantasy, we turn to the professionals. To bring you the top 10 hair tips and to reveal the reality behind some of the strange hair tricks you've been hearing about, we spoke with Shakira Kemp of Salon Elysium in Syracuse, New York, and Brittany White of the River Valley Club Salon in Lebanon, New Hampshire. 1. Wash your hair. It's a common misconception that you shouldn't wash your hair every day if you want it to be healthy. It varies depending on the individual. Teenagers undoubtedly do need to wash their hair every day, but as we get older and our scalps stop producing as much oil, that need diminishes. In general, shampooing your hair once a week is beneficial for people with curlier hair. 2. Use products that are made for hair. Take all of your eggs, mayo, coconut oil, and yes, pee, combine them, and then throw the mixture away. Use hair-specific products to maintain your hair. These are specifically formulated for hair and contain nutrients that will keep it thriving without the need for fad foods. 3. Manage stress. Manage your stress. Your hair's health may suffer if you are constantly stressed. A person's hair may suffer as a result of physically unpleasant events like having a kid or stressful life circumstances like losing a job or experiencing a pandemic. But don't panic. Once your stress levels are under control, your hair normally returns to its previous state. 4. Take your vitamins. Healthy hair begins internally. People with better hair tend to be those that eat well, exercise frequently, take vitamins, and care for their mental well-being. Vitamins A, B, and D will keep you and your hair healthy and are necessary for hair growth. Many retailers provide vitamin blends designed expressly for hair health, but always read the label and purchase from a trustworthy retailer. 5. Take care of your scalp. Get rid of product buildup and dead skin on your scalp. Try massaging your scalp while you're in the shower. Any accumulation that can prevent fresh hair development is not what you want. A healthy scalp leads to good hair. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.